Hilliard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maulana Yusuf, NPM 244111059, kelas MNJ 24A. Navigating the numbers, you're going to understand and using statistics. The power of data is unable. This presentation provides a foundational guide to statistical literacy essential for making informed decisions in an increasingly data-driven world. Why statistics matter? From everyday decision to global insight, personal finance, health, evaluate risks, understand market trends, and interpret medical research for better life choice. Since strategy analysis customer behavior, forecast sales, and optimize operations to drive organizational success. Global policy research inform public policy, track social change, and drive scientific innovation across fields. Statistics transform raw data into knowledge, allowing us to see patterns and predict outcomes. The basics: what are we measuring and how do we describe it? Data types: qualitative, categorical, phase, quantitative, numerical data. Measure scales: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio, determining approved mathematical operations. Population phase sample: understanding the difference between the entire group and the subset analysis. Measure of cancer: mean, median, and mode, defining the typical value within a dataset. Frequency distribution: how of different value or categories occur in a dataset. Visualizations: pushing cards, histograms, bar charts, sketches, plots to reveal structure. The foundational concepts are the building blocks for any advanced statistical analysis. Beyond the Avengers understand variation and relationship. Measures of spreads, variance, standard deviation, and ranks quantify how sparse out the data points are from the mean. Correlation, phase causation. Identifying relationship correlation but recognizing that this does not imply on actor cause the author causation. Outliers and skewness. Detaching extreme false outliers and assessing the asymmetry of the data. Distribution schemas. The standard deviation is often the most critical single statistic. It tells you reliability of the affairs. Making sense of the data. Drawing inference and avoiding pitfalls. Statistical inference allows us to draw conclusions about a large population based on a smaller sample. However, this process is vulnerable to common errors. 1. Hypothesis testing: formulating a null and alternative hypothesis to determine if there is enough evidence to reject the status quo. 2. Confidence intervals: estimating a range of values likely to contain the true population parameter with a specified degree of confidence. 3. bias and misrepresentations, recognizing sampling bias, manipulation of access in cars, and the use of missing algorithms for p-hacking and type race errors. Understanding the risk of statistical malpractice and the error in failing to detect an effect type 2 or incorrectly coding on axis type 1. Your statistical toolkit. Resource and next steps for improved decision making. Statistical literacy is a conscious journey. Use the resource to deepen your understanding and abilities. Context practical. Software proficiency. MasterSource, Python, Pens, Enum, R or dedicated business intelligence platforms. Focused learning. Takes online course on specific topic like regression analysis or Bayesian methods. Critical consumption. Always question to the source, sample size, and methodology behind any report statistics.